Now question 4. In a science class of 42 students, each student offer at least one of math and physics. If 22 students offer physics and 28 students offer math, find how many students offer physics only. To solve this question, I will give you a tip how you can quickly solve this question without writing anything out, even without pressing calculator. You can quickly solve this question. For example, we were told that we have 22 students, isn't it, that do what? That did physics, isn't it? And we have 28 students that did what? Maths, isn't it? The total of the people that did the both subjects, 2 plus 3 is what? 10. Made that one. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. We have 50 students, and it is not possible to have 50 students when the question say we in a class we only have 42 students. Where is the extra 8 is coming from? You just say 50 minus 42 is going to give us what? 8. It means that we have excess of 8. That excess of 8 represent this number of students that did the both subjects. That did what? That did the both subjects. They did mathematics and the physics. Now the question now say that find how many students offer physics only. Physics only. We have 22 students that did physics. If we want to get the number of students that only did only physics, you know, I told you that we have 8 students that did what? Both physics and mathematics, isn't it? We have 8 here and we have 8 here that did mathematics. For students that did only mathematics, is 20. For only students that did only physics, it means that 22 minus 8 is going to give us what? 14. The number of students that did only physics what? Now say 22 minus 8. The number of students that did only physics is going to give us what? 14. Our final answer, the question say look for the physics only. Only physics what? Option D. If you want to prove your answer that whether you get it or did not get it, number of people that offer only mathematics is what? Only mathematics is what? 28 minus 8. For the number of students that did the two is what? 20, isn't it? 20, just say 28 minus 8, 20. If you want to add everything together, physics, number of students that did only physics, number of students that did only math, 20, and the number of students that did both. 4 plus 8, 12, remainder 1. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1, 4, 42. That's how we get the number of total students in that class, which is 42. That's how you get your final answer, D, without doing what? Without drawing any table at all. Now, let's go to the next question. In a class of 40 students, 24 play football, 18 play volleyball, and 6 do not play any game. How many students play both football and volleyball? The tips that I gave you in the previous question, we are going to use it and apply it to this one as well. Now, number of students that play football, 24, isn't it? 18 for play what? Volleyball, isn't it? And 6 did not play any of the game at all. Now, let's add everything together. 4 plus 8 is what? Is 12. 12 plus 6, that's 18. 8 remainder 1. 2. Now we have total of what? 48. We have total of 48. And the question told us that we only have 40 students in that what? In that class. Now we have the total of people that play 48. Where is the excess is coming from? You just say 48 minus 40 is going to give us what? 8. These 8 people that is excess, it means that they are both, the 8 people are the one that play both football and what? And volleyball. Volleyball. What the question say? The question say how many students play both football and volleyball? It means that 8 people that play what? Play the both football and what? Volleyball. Our final answer is what? C. You can see that it's very easy without doing any calculation, wasting much of your time. Since this question is objective, it is not theory. If it is theory, then you can do your calculation so that we get enough mark when your teacher is marking your script. Question 6. In a youth club with 94 members, 60 like modern music, 50 like traditional music, the number of members who like both traditional and modern music is 3 times those that do not like any type of music. How many members like only one type of music? To solve this question, we are not going to use the tips like the shortcut I taught you in the question 4 and 5. The reason is that this question is a bit technical because the question say is 3 times the number of members who like both traditional and modern music is 3 times those that do not like any type of music, because the question is not straightforward. We are going to draw it. Now let's begin. Let me, let me draw the first circle, second circle. Now, this is the people that like modern music. Let me call it M. This one that like traditional music, isn't it? And the people that like this one more than 60, I'll call this one 60. And this one is what? 50, isn't it? And we were told that some people they don't like the music at all, whether modern or traditional music. They don't like any music at all. They don't like any type of the music. They are going to be what? Outside here. Let's call it X. The people that did not like any of the music at all, they are what? X. And we are told that the both those people that like both traditional and modern music is 3 times. 3 times of those people that did not like the music at all. If these people are X, it means that these people that like going to be what? 3x, 3 times of the people that did not like. Now let's begin the question. How many people do you have in that club? You have 94 people, total of 94 people, isn't it? Now to know how many people that like the only modern music, it means that we are going to say 60 minus 3x to know only those people that like only modern music only. And for the traditional music, you are going to minus this one because this 3x is within the circle of tradition and within the circle of modern music. We are going to say for the people that like only tradition from years to year, like this, from years to year, when we cut off the 3x, we are going to say 50 minus 3x, going to minus it. Therefore, it's going to give you the number of members that like only traditional music. The same thing applies to the modern music, 60 minus 3x. Now we are going to add everything together. Everything must be equals to 94 members we have in that club. First thing, 60 minus 3x plus 3x plus 50 minus 3x plus this x outside here. You know, we have add up this one, this one, this one, which is this. Let me bracket it so that we see it. This one and this one. And this 3x that is here is the one I had there, which is only one that stand there. Plus the x outside here, the people that did not like the music at all. Everything must be equal to what? 94. Total of 94 people. Now we have minus 3s plus 3s here. This one cancel out each other. We have only 60 plus 50 minus 3s plus x. Let me just remove the bracket, isn't it? Now equals to 94. 60 plus 50 is going to give me 110, isn't it? I have minus 3s here plus x here. When I pay, plus mean what I have, which means I have x. When I minus this x, I'm going to have minus 2. I'm going to have minus 2x left, equals to 94, isn't it? Now let's collect like time. 110, when this 94 jump up, is going to change to minus 4. And when this minus 2x jump to other side, it's going to change to plus 2x. If I didn't put plus, it doesn't mean anything. It means that there's an invisible plus there. Just leave it. Now, 110 minus 94 is going to give me what? It's going to give me 16. 2x. Divide both sides by coefficients of x. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 in 16, 8. My final answer is what? 8. It means that the people that do not like any music at all are 8 members. Now, to know the number of people that both like modern music and traditional music, it means that 3 times 8, which is 3x, isn't it? X represents 8. It's going to give me what? 24. Isn't it? 24. And the question now say that how many members like only one type of music? What we are going to do, only one type of music. These people that have only type of music is this 60 minus 3x, and traditional music 50 minus 3x is the people that like only one music, which is modern music and traditional music. Now to solve it, for the M, the people that like only modern music is 60 minus 3x. What is our 3s? Our 3s is 24, isn't it? Just say 60 minus 24. What is it going to give me? 24 is going to give me 36. It's going to give me 36. Now, to look for the people that like, the member that like only traditional music, let's go to the next page. This page is filled up. We have what? 50 minus 3s, isn't it? And our 3s is equal to what? 24. Just say 50 traditional music, 50 minus 24 is going to give me what? It's going to give me 26. Now, to calculate the total of number that like only one music, the people that like only modern music is what? 36. The people that like only one traditional music is what? 26. Now let's add it together. 6 plus 6, 12. Remainder 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 62. It means that number of people that like only one traditional, only one music, not traditional, only one music are 62 people. Only one music is what? 62 people. What is our final, our answer? Our answer is option C, 62. Correct. It's our correct answer, 62. Let's move to the next question, which is the final question. Yes, the Venn diagram below represents a universal set E of integers and the subset P and Q. List the elements of this following set. Now, if you want to list out the following sets, the first one is A. Let me write it out like this. P union Q, isn't it? This is everything in P from years to year. Is the total number there, which is we have 2, we have 3, we have 7, we have 10, we have 8, isn't it? If I want to do it one by one, if I don't want to, we are going to do what? We are going to do, this is P and this is Q sets. We are going to unite them together, unalize them without repeating the number again. What do we have here? Under the P, we have 2. Let's start from the lowest to the highest. We have 2 here, 2 here, and we have 3. 3 is here, right? 3 here. We have 4, followed by 4. Do we have 5? We don't have 5. Do we have 6? Yes, we have 6 here. Do we have 7? Yes, we have 7 here. Do we have 8? Yes, we have 8 here. Do we have 9? We don't have 9. Do we have 10? Yes, we have 10. This is the answer for the what? P set P union Q. That's we unite them together. The next one we are going to, the question is saying that P, which is B, common where they intersect. Set P intersects set Q. Now, what is common between the set of P and Q? If you look at here, you see that 3 and 7, they are the where they have common number. Where they have common number, because 3 and 7 is within the circle of P, and 3 and 7 is within the circle of Q. Where they intercept together, common, is what? Is 3 and 7. The next question, C. E common where they, this E is universal. All the number within the circle in the set, they are within the what? The set of E, and common Q. Now, what is common them within them? What is common between them is that, which one is Q? This is the Q, isn't it? 3, 7, 4, 6. They are within the range of everything of the union E, which is universal E. It means that you are just going to write out everything in the set of Q, which is 3, 4, 6, 7. That's the common where they intercept. That's where they intercept with the E. The next one is what? D. You have P union E. Now we are going to do what? Unite them together. P and what? And E. If you look at here, everything that is here under the E, everything within the range of the set of E and the P, that's what we are going to write out. E already what? Combine all the sets in the P. Therefore, we are going to write everything out starting from lowest to highest. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have 5. Do you have 5? Yes, we have 5 here safe because this 5 is within the set of E. Set of E, we write 5. Do you have 6? Yes. Do you have 7? 8, 9. Do you have 9? No, we don't have 9. So do you have 10? Yes, 10. That's where we stop. That's the final answer for everything. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye. See you next time.